Want to know how to check out deals of the day and top deals in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy website. So just simply head towards bestbuy.com and you should be right here under this interface. Now, once you're here, on this interface right here, you should be seeing deal of the day. It should be right beside top deals below menu right here. So you can just simply select that. And you should be seeing all the deals that should be available for now. So as you can see right here, you can just simply scroll down and see all the deals available. So as you can see, the laptop is deal and various cards and products as you can see right here. So you can just simply order it accordingly. So you can also see top deals right here. You can also select that in order to see deals accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.